Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by enabling the host machine for remote access. Open System Settings, turn on Remote Desktop, and allow the service through the firewall so connections are accepted. Make sure an administrative user account has a strong password. RDP will reject blank credentials. Once done, record the host IP address or DNS name and confirm the network profile is private. This immediate setup step prevents common permission and network blocks, and it prepares you for connecting from the client device. On your client device, open the RDP app and create a new connection profile. This saves time later. Enter the host IP or DNS name and the admin username, then adjust display, sound, and local drive redirection so files move between machines. If you need access over the internet, set up VPN or port forwarding with caution. Otherwise, test first on the same LAN to isolate issues. Make sure network latency is low. High latency causes laggy sessions, so check ping and retry if necessary. Finish by hardening the connection. Enable network-level authentication and enforce encryption, and restrict allowed users on the host. Once connected, confirm clipboard and drive sharing work as expected, then log out cleanly. If you cannot connect, first verify the host is online and pingable, then inspect firewall rules, VPN state, and whether port 3389 or your custom port is open. One key troubleshooting tip: try a local LAN connection to narrow down whether the problem is network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.